Country living that you can afford. Cozy and move-in ready describes the 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on 2.63 acres, just minutes from Perkins, Stillwater and OSU. Open living area with vaulted ceilings, knotty pine board siding, and enjoy the electric fireplace for warm cozy evenings. Spacious kitchen has updated countertops and backsplash with new tile and fresh paint on cabinets. Master bedroom has knotty pine walls and a spacious master bath with garden tub. The home has new paint through, new carpet in the bedroom, and the vinyl flooring in the living room. New ceiling fans and interior doors are more updates. The hall bath has a new vanity and both baths have new sink faucets. The front windows have been replaced and the front porch deck repaired and painted. Utility room door has been replaced and outside steps. This 2.63 acres has 2 storage sheds. A creek runs behind the house and plenty of room for a shop or show animals. Lots of wildlife. Call for more information or to view this home.